In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 385 by 5 using the long division method. See that the number 3 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 38. We know that 5 times 7 is 35. If we subtract, we get a 3. Now see that this number 3 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. And from the multiplication table of 5, we know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 385 divided by 5 is equal to 77. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.